To install Android Studio and the Android SDK on Mac OS, go to the web page at developer.android.com. Click the Develop link, and then click the link to get the latest version of Android Studio. As of the date of this recording, in October 2016, the latest version was Android Studio 2.2.1. Click the big link on this page to download the installation package to your computer. I've already downloaded the package to my desktop, and it's a DMG file. I'll double-click to open it up, and then to start the installation, just drag Android Studio to the Applications directory. It'll take a few moments for the application package to be copied over. Then you can double-click the Applications directory and locate your copy of Android Studio. If you already had a copy of Android Studio installed in this directory, you might be prompted to replace it. It is possible to have two versions of Android Studio side by side. You would just need to rename the original file before you copy over the new one. I'll double-click to start up Android Studio for the first time, and I'll see the Internet Security prompt. I'll click Open to continue. I don't need those windows anymore, so I'll close them. The first time you install Android Studio, it'll look to see whether you have an old version installed. I have a directory in my Preferences named Android Studio 2.2 Backup. I'm not going to import those settings because I want to show you what Android Studio looks like when you install it without any previous use. So I'll click the option I do not have a previous version of Studio, and then I'll click OK. Now, if you already have a copy of the Android SDK on your computer, this screen might look different to you. This is what it will look like for a brand new user. I'll click Next, and then I'll choose the standard setup and click Next again. I'll see a listing of all the files that have to be downloaded to my computer. The Android SDK includes many components. They're called the build tools, the platform tools, and so on. I'll explain what each of these components do during this series of courses. But for now, I'll just click Finish, and that will start the download process. Now, if this is the first time you're running Android Studio, you'll have quite a bit to download, so I recommend taking a break and allowing this download to finish, and then come back and watch the next video where I'll describe how to make sure your copy of the Android SDK is completely updated.